Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with safety and accuracy. Park on level ground and set the parking brake because a slope skews the reservoir reading. Once the engine is cold, wait 30 to 60 minutes. Hot coolant expands and gives a false high. Now, release the hood latch inside the cabin, then the front safety catch. Prop the hood securely. Locate the translucent coolant reservoir on the passenger side, marked with MIN and MAX, so you can read levels without removing the cap. You'll inspect and measure. Hold the reservoir up to light and compare the fluid surface to the MIN and MAX marks. Readings are accurate when the engine is cold. If the level sits below MIN, scan hoses, radiator area, and undercarriage for wet spots or dried residue. This indicates leakage. Also check for oily discoloration that signals head gasket or oil coolant mixing. If you must open the cap, make sure the engine is cold, use a rag, and turn the cap slowly. You now top off correctly. Use Mercedes recommended coolant or a 50/50 ethylene glycol mix. Pour slowly to the MAX line. Do not overfill. Once topped, secure the cap and start the car. Let it reach operating temperature so the thermostat opens, then recheck the level after a short run and top again if it settles below MAX. If you notice rapid loss, white or milky fluid, or persistent bubbles in the reservoir, stop. Those are signs of a leak or head gasket issue and need professional attention.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.